Jam, was there a time, given the situation, Jam, have you ever experienced this? Jam? Jam? Hello? Oh my God! Paano kung ito sasagutin na kakaloka? Ako bala sa'yo, panoorin mo itong video na ito. Hi guys, it's Jam, your social media manager, virtual assistant. At nagbabalik ka mon. Sana all binabalikan. Hello guys, finally I'm back and fully recovered from COVID pero hindi ito ang topic ko. Anyways, welcome to episode 4 of Interview Tips. Come on, Spirit Fingers. Alam niyo to, napanood niyo ba yun, Spirit Fingers?
These are spirit fingers.
Hindi, nahala tayo age ko, come on. How to answer situational questions. Bilang isang virtual assistant, lagi itong tinatanong sa mga interviews. And for us to properly answer this, we will use the STAR method. Oh, wait lang. No pictures, please. Oh, no pictures. Come on guys, simulan na natin. Let me give you guys an example. Kunwari, ito yung job description na nakalagay sa posting. Ayan, tingnan niyo to ha. First thing to do is, given the job description mga best, isipin mo na ano kaya ang mga pwedeng tanungin ng mga client sa akin tungkol dito. Ilista niyo yun para mga utang ng mga kapitbahay niyo hindi nagbabayad. Oo. Number 2, gamitin na ang STAR method. Oh, wait lang. No pictures, please. So, na nga bang STAR method? So, ito ba ibig sabihin ng STAR? S is for situation, T is for task, A is for action, and R is for result. So, bali, yun po yung pattern na gagamitin natin sa pagsagot sa ating tanong para very organized. Come on! So, for example, ito yung sitwasyon. Oo. So, Jam, here's the thing. I need you to learn Canva, but you don't know Canva. Have you experienced that before wherein you encountered the client that made you actually study or made you do like, you know, an app or a software or a platform that you have to use but you have no idea on how to do it at all, like you didn't have any background? Duh, as if I have any choice. Char lang. Huwag ganun na. Erase. So, yun, isa-isay natin na, hey John, so I had this client recently where he made me use Pictochart. But since I am like more of a Canva user and was very comfortable with Pictochart, and this is like a software that he paid for, so yeah, I really had to adjust. So now my task was to learn Pictochart because it's something that I'm gonna use every day. So what I did was I went to YouTube and checked on like short video tutorials out there and I tried to like follow it myself. So I kept using it until such time that I got the hang of it. So now I'm so happy because I'm like a master of Canva and Pictochart. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising? Diba? Sobrang simple and organized niya. May flow. So, do that to every situation na nilista mo, yung STAR method. So, the last step, which is step number 3, was to rehearse or review it. And in that way, guys, if you do all 3 steps, guys, ha, before your interview, wala nang surprises. Kaya mo nang sagutin yan with all confidence. Come on! Wow, Jam, that's impressive. That's good to know. So, Jam, I have a question. What do you know about our company? Hala! Paano sagutin yun? Walang problema, sagutin natin yan sa next video. See you there!